Welcome to Public Studio. In this video, we'll show you how to use the illustrated editor for creating images. To start, go on Dashboard and click on Catalog and click on Product Images. A section will appear. Here, remove the lock on the image. On the left side, you have a few different options to choose from like design, text, frame, shapes, images, elements and upload. In design, you can choose from different designs like in A+ images. You can create A+ description images for Amazon. In user template, you can view the templates you have saved as brand template. In infographic images, you have several templates for infographic images which you can filter using category and type. In background option, you can choose different simple background for your product. In the texts, you can choose between different text headers and designs. In the shapes section, you can select from different types of arrows and shapes to use in your product. In the frames option, you can add frames to your product and include images in them to blend and create a text design. In the elements icon, you can add elements to your images like Insta icons, Facebook icons to add your Insta and Facebook post link. Now we will create an infographic image for our perfume where we have added a template from the infographics gallery and added it on canvas. Add your product image using upload option and remove background by clicking on the three dots and click on background remover. Once it is removed, resize your product image as per your choice and place it on the canvas. To make your image more authentic, click on three dots after clicking on the image and click on add shadow. Now you can see shadow has been added to your product, and you can also move the product with the shadow and place it on another area as per your choice. You can also edit the text on the canvas and add your brand name, feature points in the text, and also change the color, design and size of the text as well. You can alter the image as well by clicking on the product image and adjust elements like brightness, contrast, saturation, hue and blur as well. You can save image as brand template or save it to media gallery by clicking on the save image. You can check your creation by going to the media gallery and selecting the product imagery to see the image. And that's it for today, guys. We hope you like this video on using the illustrated editor on Public. If you face any issue, please contact our support channel. We are there to help you.